Hi, today we'll create a playbook to automatically connect our status page and to create and resolve incidents while notifying our subscribers. We'll need to achieve this. We'll need to create two separate playbooks. One to move the status page to partial outage and another one to move it back to operational again. When I run this one, it would have automatically moved our status page to partial outage, and you can see that this incident, user authentication service, has seen a spike in failed requests. This is the same as this one. To resolve it, I can run another playbook which will move our status page back into operational again. Voila. Before we get started, I would highly recommend we create an example status page. Now, you can visit the status page dashboard and click on create status page and make sure to subscribe so you can test the notifications as well. The first playbook we'll create is to move the status to partial outage. In our actions, I will search for create incident, select the status page. We want to move the status page into partial outage, and I would like to have just the API and the dashboard components move to the partial outage status again. I also would like to notify our subscribers. Let's save, and that's done. You can further automate this playbook to run the sequence of steps and update your status page while you're asleep, but this is for different video, so I'm going to skip this. We've created the playbook which will move our status page to partial outage. Each playbook, you can add different actions to this playbook, and you can also choose to update multiple status pages, but one is enough for us to get started right now. Back to our incident, we can select playbooks and run this partial outage. Go to our status page and let's check. Well, this works as intended. So now we'll need another playbook to move the status page back to operational again. Now we will search for status page and resolve incidents. Select your status page. Let's select the components. I'll choose to resolve all components despite the fact that we did not select background queue before. Partial outage. Operational. Now we have two types of resolutions: resolve all incidents or resolve linked incidents. Resolve all incidents will resolve all the incidents displayed on your status page, despite of the fact that they're linked to your internal incidents or not. Whereas resolve linked incidents will only resolve the incidents that are linked to your internal incidents. In this case, to maintain the isolation, I'll have resolve linked incidents. So that way, if any of our team members choose to run this playbook on a completely unrelated incident, it will not go around and resolve all incidents. I would also like to notify our subscribers. Perfect. Now we have the playbook created. Let's go back and run this playbook. Operational. And we're done. And you can see that this incident has also been resolved. Thanks so much for watching.